In this quick summary of EFL Academy Hub plans, we are going to quickly cover the passive voice. Passive voice is object, verb, subject. What is your local time? Read and answer the questions. Remember to pause the video while doing this. Read the examples below and fill in the gaps. Decide if the sentences below are active or passive. Remember to pause on the page, giving you time. Build past tense sentences of the passive. Write them down. Read and speak the idiom. Do you agree with it and why? Or why not? Match the sentences and speak them when matching. Correct these sentences with past passive. Remember the active performs and the passive receives. Read and say all these new vocabulary words we have learned in this lesson. And make 2 sentences with 2 words. Today we have learned between active and passive sentences. If you would like teacher to students lessons, please sign up on www.eflacademyhub.com. You won't regret it.